Hello, my name is Anju Gaborone and I have cleared the Advanced Performance Management paper in the last June 2024 exam session. This was my last paper to gain ACCA affiliation, and this has been a success due to the tremendous help and guidance I received from Vertex Learning Solutions. VLS is an online platform which gives access to high-quality pre-recorded lectures. The topic lectures, which cover the whole syllabus, have deliberately been kept short to make it easy for students to understand and grasp the key concepts. And the major advantage that you get is you can study in your own time and wherever you are. I had an amazing tutor who provided additional support throughout the assignments and mocks with her personal reviews. More essentially, she adopts a marker perspective to make you identify areas where you should really improve to get those precious marks. So if you are deciding to take the APM exam soon and you are seeking a high quality and reliable online tuition provider, I would strongly recommend you to enroll with the course at VLS to secure a pass. From the bottom of my heart, thank you very much, VLS, for making me pass this paper.